Correct, Benny.
Where in contact with
You correct be them.
Where in correct banter?
You correct be them.
Where in correct with them?
You don't finish.
What is your local government in Akwaibom?
Orona.
You sabi say wetin I they do for here if they enter the whole social media.
I sabi.
Make I go ahead.
Hmm.
If they hear Igbo,
I dey understand some.
if they hear Igbo,
Yes.
oh yeah, the way camera on la get below together.
Okay.
Hey, carry that phone, come out outside, go outside where I go see you. Carry that phone, go outside. Carry that phone, go outside.
Bishop, this is the most. I don't know where I go keep am. Yo. Yo.
Son, they show here. Son, they show here. Son. Say by Akwaibom. Dog bite you.
No.
What happened to your bum bum?
He dey.
He dey where?
Yeah.
What happened to your bum bum? Dog bite you.
No, Bishop.
So where your bum bum?
He dey here.
He dey for where?
Yeah.
Carry reverse and come back. Where in there?
Bishop, maybe now because of why I take keep this camera.
How you take keep waiting? Because how you take keep waiting? You get bum bum now where and they look up like this, you know the show.
They show.
Keep your camera where make I see.
Okay. Let me keep it here.
Where the bum bum now?
He dey here.
He dey where?
Yes.
It is how they play with you. It is how they play with you here. Eh?
No, sir.
Is this how they play with you?
No.
Says you carry monkey nyash, you come here, they ask you where bump up there, they tell me say they here. You gather monkey nyash, come for interview. You come here, come they tell me say they here.
Sorry, sir.
And they ask you something, still they tell me say they here.
Sorry, sir.
Them you. Says you resemble this police constable where they stay for counter, they collect money for tissue and soap. Come on, remove that your hand from your mouth there. Remove that your hand from your mouth. Where your bumble, we say they here. If I see laughing for your mouth, I bring you down here.
No, I'm not laughing.
Resemble constable where they for counter, collect money for tissue and soap. They here, come the tell me see they here. Where your ring one?
Huh?
Where your children food?
I never born.
Where till you go use feed them? Where in there?
I go buy milk.
You go buy milk. Thank God say you know say na milk you go buy because you no get for body. Thank God say you know say na milk you go market and buy. You no get it. Thank God say you no get milk for body. Go buy milk. Come on down your hand, keep up straight. Look at. See what you gather for. If you never can, then go call you. Gonna do guy. So the thing is, head of torchlight where vigilante people they use to watch compound. Gather something where they like head of torchlight. Come here, come they do guy.
Sorry, sir. I go try
them you. Sorry for waiting.
I go get them before I born.
Them you. Person where you go to tell sorry, na person where go meet you. Come here, come they tell me sorry. Wait it concern me. Come here, come they laugh for me. Your bobby strong.
No, it's soft.
That's
It's soft.
Upon say you no get bobby, one come tell me say it's strong.
It's soft. Very
Carry
soft.
your phone for hand there.
Okay.
Watch Italia. Watch Italia. Well, we should watch Italia. And then I need the weekend. Come on, subscribe for that place. So you can subscribe, watch the Kabago. Subscribe or like, I get share, ya bag. Watch Italia, get back. They just know what you have to share the game for what? Subscribe all for this place. Keep that phone for your face. Keep her for your face. Back at the see where. Keep her for your face. Open those windows. Open window for that room. Open those windows. I say open and well.
I don't open and finish.
Got that head like power bank. Where Airtel they do. Come here, come they laugh for me. What you make you no get height?
Nothing, sir. Now so my mama did.
Yeah, mama. So for our family, we resemble elevator. Eh?
No. Now normal height where woman supposed to get be
normal
that.
height where woman? Who tell you like that? Which one be normal height where woman go gather? So for our family, all of us resemble elevator. You can't hear saying I saw your mama there. Family of elevator. Elevator height. What is screenshot?
No be you.
Eh?
No be here now from my phone. Sorry, sir.
Ebala Rambo.
Mbao.
Iwonyosh.
Ole.
In a mentamu.
Bishop, which one is Ntamo?
If you they go, you go to talk to yourself.
No, sir.
Eko wagulage.
Mba.
Mpage na magodendo. Code in work here.
Ezigbo okay.
Which type of man you need as a husband?
Okay, a God-fearing man and a hard-working man. A romantic man and an understanding man.
That's a man, hard-working man, romantic man, and understanding man. Oh yeah, which type of romantic you want from the man?
Romantic. A man can be romantic in every way. Taking care,
what aspect?
attention, everything.
For our family, when I get person where they get confusion.
No, sir.
Guru they own a house.
Gurugu. No, sir.
They found them uncle.
No, sir.
Your father the rear goat.
Huh?
Your father na goat rear.
No, sir.
What of dog?
No, sir.
You they go club?
No. I never go before. But I go with my...
Go to Shimota Isu Igbo. Go to Shimota in Asu Igbo.
Okay, I've been in Anambra State before. So I love Igbo language.
So, what it make you not marry from your tribe or any other tribe like Yoruba? Now Igbo people you won't marry. Why?
I don't really get where I want marry from. I believe say no be only Igbo people dey here, but I don't have any problem with Igbo person. It's just a good man that I'm looking for. Tribe is not a problem.
Since you are looking for a good man, you be good big person.
Yes, Bishop.
What it make you a good person?
I'm a good person.
In what way are you good?
In every way, when you come close to me, you know I'm a good person.
How old are you?
I'm 23.
Are you a graduate?
No, sir.
What do you do for living?
Okay, I sell and I also make hair. I do makeup as well.
Where you they watch me from?
From Akwaibom State, Uyo to be precise.
Where are you from?
I'm from Akwaibom State.
You dey chop dog?
Yes.
In a jaka gauge then keta boy and akagi. In a ring keta. In a jaka gauge then keta boy and akagi.
Mba.
In a riri ma pamu ya.
Akpamu. No.
In a ria pamu keta.
Mba.
In the low tag in a muke megide here. Ya nyegi he ni megega zrogu ki flush I ha ge wapia. Imeliambo.
Mba, nne use protection.
Protection in a use of punna kowo leather kowo wakre.
Huh?
Owo wakre.
Bishop is not gonna.
In a use kowo punna brain.
Mba, bro, policing back.
Ele in a use.
No be me they buy am.
Okay.
I know they look the name.
How many people don't chop mado letra lage?
Madibo.
Madebo atralage hatalage na motombo.
Mba.
An atake no loge ko no lo ha.
Na ulo ha.
Atamage in a timpu na kalabaki in a timpu ni na beke.
Nne timpu na Calabar.
Ayati edi mpu here.
Iyamio.
Iyami. What did iyami mean for beke?
Iyami means harder.
Meshemike.
Meshemike.
Jello type.
AA.
Blood group.
O plus.
Take note. Not be everybody where you see here be human being. And not be everybody where you see here get conscience.
Okay.
Take note. People will like to collect people destiny or 10 person life. All of them the internet. And as you don't come here, so use your wisdom. Use anything way they do. So fire mama and papa their life. Anybody will call you for marriage. Make sure the person visit your home and come and know your home. Then if know the person's home. Are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
That is the simple truth. So in
Okay,
Igbo
sir.
culture, what I am doing is the best thing. You ask questions, you investigate before you say I do. So that you will not be victim of bad man or evil man. Okay?
Okay,
Nice
sir.
one. I will not say because you are from another tribe, then I will not explain to you. So have a very good day. Call your number.
Thank you, sir. So let me call my number. Let me bring my phone and call my number.
This phone where they press like this, where you never bring a number.
Sorry, sir. 081 34 19 88 40. Don't finish.
Take note. If husband come for you, remember. Now for Igbo man place, you get husband. Congratulations. Oh yeah,
Okay.
pick the first call. Let me see how you answer your call.
Hello? Hello?
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine. Good afternoon.
I saw your number. Check live.
Okay.
Yeah, what's your name?
My name is Blessing.
Okay, please. My name is Prince. I'm Majesty, but I currently reside in Enugu.
Sorry?
My name is Prince. I'm Majesty, but I reside in Enugu.
Okay. Where in Abia State are you from?
I'm my brother.
Abiriba.
In our government.
Okay.
Mom, you, how old are you?
How old are you?
I'm 34. What about you?
You, how old are you?
23.
Okay, this person that is 34, what does he do for a living?
What do you do for a living? I said, what do you do for a living? What's your work? Huh?
I'm a businessman.
What kind of business?
I sell
Huh?
I sell them.
You sell bell.
Bell for house. Those guys are
Onye a ga-abịa chere akwa gị nọ n'ụlọ gị chere ga na-ere na kọtụ kodo ihe a ndị a na-afọ emecha gị na-ekwu emecha save his number let I talk to him
Hello?
call him back ndị ọha chara azụ ọkịrị.
Good afternoon. Okay.
Cut
Please, where are you calling me from?
This person they here, they call you.
You don't cut. They don't go.
Okay, congratulations.